Hi guys, so today we are going to set up a Spring framework for Visual Studio Code IDE. So first of all, you need to download Java. So open oracle.com and go to products, scroll down, select Java, scroll down and select download Java now. After that, you have to select the Java version. So I'm selecting Java 17. So you have to select your operating system. I'm selecting Windows and I'm selecting this option 64 installer. So it will start downloading Java JDK. So it will download the Java JDK exe file. So you have to install JDK. So after installing JDK, we have to check if the path is set for Java. So open command prompt and type Java C space hyphen hyphen version. So as you see, so my path is set for Java C and I can see the Java 17 is installed. So next step, open VS Code and search for extension Spring Boot extension pack. So we have to install Spring Boot extension pack. So now we have to install Java extension pack. So search for Java in extensions. So you see this extension pack for Java. So we have to install extension pack for Java. So I have installed these two extensions, extension pack for Java and Spring Boot extension pack. So now it's time to create a project. So to create all the projects, I have created one folder in documents by Spring Boot. Here I will save all the Spring Boot projects. So in after installing the extensions, so we have to press Ctrl Shift P to open the command palette, or you can use View command palette to open this command palette. So in this command palette, you have to search create a Gradle project. So you will see this option Spring Initializer create a Gradle project. So select this first option. So after selecting this, we have to select the Spring Boot version. I'm selecting the latest version. We have to select the programming language Java, and we have to specify the group ID and the project name. You can select jar or var. I'm selecting jar, and we have to specify the Java version that we just checked in this command prompt. So I'm selecting 17. So we have to search for the dependencies. So we will add few dependencies: Spring Web, Spring DevTools. So these two dependencies are selected for now: Spring Web and Spring Boot DevTools. So we have, after selecting these two dependencies, we have to click on this option, selected two dependencies. So after that, it will ask where do you want to store your project. So we have created a Spring Boot folder inside documents where we are going to store all our Spring Boot projects. So we see this option, generate into this folder. So the project will be stored into this folder. After project is generated, you have to open that project. So you can click on open, or if you miss that, you can go to file, open folder, go to documents, your Spring Boot projects where all the projects are stored. You have to select the project name and click on select folder. So it will open our Spring Boot project in VS Code. After that, it will start activating some extensions for us. So after that, it will start syncing our Gradle. So it will be downloading all the dependencies for our Spring Boot application. So we have to check this notification bar, the status of our application. So if something is loading, we have to wait. After some time, it will done syncing the dependencies, and you will see some notification on the right side. So you don't need to worry about these notifications for now. You can just close them. And on the left side where you see all the extensions, you will see the Spring Boot dashboard. So you have to click on that. After that, you will see the application name here, and just in front of the name you will see the run button. So you can click the run button, so it will launch our Spring Boot application. So the application is running successfully. So we can go to browser and check for the application. So to know on which port number our application is running, we have to open application properties file. So currently the port number is not specified. So by default, Spring Boot application will be running on 8080 port. You can directly click on this open in browser button. So it will open your Spring Boot application directly in the VS Code. So currently we have no APIs written, so that's why we will get this white label error. So no need to worry about it. So if you get any error like the port 8080 is already used, you can change the port number. So for that you have to stop the project, and in application.properties file you have to write server.port is equal to new port number. For now I'm using 3000. So after that you have to run your project again. So there is one way to run your project like this, or you can open the main file inside java com example demo, this demo application.java. You see this method public static void main. Just above that you'll see this run button. You can click here also to run the application. So after clicking this, it will start our application. So again, we can open that in the browser. So if you face any problem to open uh, your application by clicking this button, you can go to browser and search, just type localhost colon the new port number. So you will see the output here. So you have to type http colon double slash localhost colon 3000 slash. So let's write one API that just returns hello world. So inside demo, I'm right clicking on the demo folder and click on new folder. So let's give a folder controller. So inside controller, we have to add new file employee.java. So it will automatically complete this code for us. So now we have to make this class as a REST controller. So just type REST controller and just press control space. So you will see the suggestions. So you have to select REST controller. So it will automatically the import the package name from where this annotation is coming. After that, we have to write a function that returns a string hello world. So we have to apply the annotation about this function, that is get mapping. And inside get mapping, we have to pass the parameter that is path to our API. So we have slash hello API. So as I'm typing in the code is the application is automatically restarted. That is because of the DevTools dependencies. If you do not have a DevTools dependencies added, it will not automatically restart. So let's check the output. So go to browser and refresh. So on 3000 on the root path, you will see this error. But if we type hello, you will see the hello world returned by our function. So that's all for today. So in next video, I will add more details in the API. Thank you.